Just wanted to make a quick video. Show you something. Must be mockingbird mating season. Come to look for an Amazon package and I saw this bird poop all around this tree here. This little bush. And I thought, that's it. And I saw a mockingbird fly away. So I got to peeking in here. Let's see if I can find it. Right in there. Here's a nest. Look at them little guys. I think it's, I don't know, 4 or 5 little baby mockingbirds wanting their mama to come back and feed them. She'll be back in a little bit. So, yeah, that's all I'm doing. Good luck to them.